It's time to live your life your way at Azalea Village. Nestled in the beautiful villages of West Palm Beach, just minutes from the exciting downtown area, our community is surrounded by an outstanding selection of delicious restaurants, coffee shops, and cafes. You'll be close to your favorite boutiques and retail centers, and moments from the area's most popular entertainment venues. Along with our convenient location, we offer an unparalleled amenity package, as well as the caring and courteous service you deserve. Our naturally landscaped property is perfect for pet owners and those who enjoy spending time outdoors. We have a barbecue area, private tennis courts, and 2 stunning resort-inspired pools on site. The resident clubhouse is the perfect place to get to know your neighbors, and our 24-hour, fully equipped fitness center is state-of-the-art. With 1, 2, and 3-bedroom floor plans available, you'll find the perfect home for any lifestyle at Azalea Village. Our apartments feature contemporary kitchens with a pantry and a full appliance package, a washer and dryer in every home, and oversized walk-in closets. You can entertain both indoors and out with a spacious living area and a large screened patio, while elegant bathrooms, stylish ceiling fans, and plush carpeting add a custom feel to your home. Schedule your personal tour today and see why you belong at Azalea Village.